Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join the league in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video is for new player or beginner that new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. In other console also it's become EA Sport FC. So let's get started. I want to show you about how you can join the league, but make sure you are already level 13. This is a minimum level or the condition to unlock the league feature. You have to level 13, and also it will fulfill the profile, and you can level up by doing this daily quest every day and get the experience. And after that, tap the league page. This is the league page, and there are some condition here like members, average overall, and average level here. So you can join the league that suit your profile. For example, if you are in level 19, you can join this league, and you can tap apply or view first the member of the league. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. Enjoy the game.